Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a HUAWEI Nova 8i and let me share with you how to enable the night light or a comfort mode. So first of all we have to enter the settings because we will begin with customization of this mode and then I'll show you much faster access to this feature. So since we are on the settings we have to enter the display and brightness, and as you can see here we've got the eye comfort option, so let's tap on it, and in order to actually customize it we have to turn it on. So let's tap on this switcher, enable all day. And I'm not really sure if you can see it, but the screen turned a little bit yellowish. It is not very visible because of the dark mode we've got applied, but trust me, so this yellowish color is in order to filter the blue light, and it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. And here you can adjust the intensity of that feature. Right now it is in the middle, but by going to the left you can make it much cooler, and to the right much warmer. I really hope that you can see the changes. So of course you can schedule that feature also, and just tap on the switcher right here, and as you can see we can set the start and the end time. So let me pick on start, and let's pick the, for example, 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock. You can change it just by swiping. Let's tap on OK, and as you can see it actually immediately changes to the yellowish tones. It is of course because we are between the start and the end time. But let me turn off the scheduled option and let me enable it all day. And actually this is the whole customization of this feature, and in order to have much faster access to it, all you have to do is to simply unroll the top bar, and here you have to find the eye comfort icon. So right now it is obviously turned on. If you'd like to turn it off, just tap on it and the screen turns back to its normal state. I hope that you can see it here better. And of course you can turn it on the same way. So actually this is it. This is how to enable the eye comfort mode in your HUAWEI Nova 8i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.